Today we are going to learn some two-letter words. How you will learn the two-letter words? By playing some games. So first of all, take a paper. Take a paper and write some Hindi letters in it, with which we can write some words. We can create some words with the chits. For example, I am writing some letters K and L. With these two, it makes a word Kal. K, L, Kal. They will match together some two letters and it makes you one word, that is K and L. So this is V and this one is Na. If you make them together, it will become one. So like that, what you should do, you should make some letters. You should take some flashcards. Like flashcards, make some letters. Give them some letters. These are some letters, and give them and ask them to make some two-letter words with these letters. When they see K and L, they will make the Kal. K and L. It is Kal. It's a game. So write all the letters. If you want to write all the letters, you can write all the letters and ask them to make some words. Two-letter words for the kids. It's easy way to learn the two-letter words and easily they can remember the two-letter words. So with so these are some letters. So prepare some letters like this. These are some letters. You should prepare these all letters and you should give it to them. So after searching the letters, you have so many letters here. So I have wrote here V, N. So if you mix together, it will become a one. Or else if you take another letter, I have here another letter, that is T. So it becomes Vat. And next one is H and L, Hal. And with K and L you can make Kal. And with N and L it becomes Null. So like this you should prepare all the letters, chits of all the letters or flashcards. You can make it flashcards. You can make all the chits you can make. Or you can make like this, some papers, take the paper and these all things.